Good morning children, how are you all? Nana, open your practice book, term 1, page number 20. See here Nana, which letter it is? D letter. So we have completed D letter words now. In textbook, reading completed, classwork writing completed, slate work completed, drilling completed no. So today I will write practice book Nana, this D letter, okay? Children, see here, find and paste the stickers in the boxes. So first we should paste the stickers here. Here capital D we should paste, here duck we should paste. Okay? Now paste the stickers Nana. Children, which letter it is? It is capital D no? So we should paste only capital D. See here, this is capital D no? So paste here Nana. What is this? Read spelling D-U-C-K. Duck. It is duck. It is not bird. It is a bird, but it is not a flying bird. It is a duck, no? It will be in water, no? So this is duck. Correct only, no? So paste here duck. Capital D, small d, D for duck. Now see here, trace the alphabet. We should trace out this alphabet. Which alphabet it is? It is capital D. Trace out slowly, neatly. Capital D. Completed, no? Now see here, classwork. It is classwork. So trace out D. D for duck. D for duck. D for drum. D for dinosaur. D for dolphin. D for doll. D for dog. D letter words. Completed no? Tracing completed means write D here Nana. 3 lines. Blue line should be touch. Capital D. Capital D. Capital D. Capital D. See, completed no? Down here homework is there no? So in your book you have to write this classwork and as well as homework also Nana. You have to paste D letter, word and picture and letter, and you have to trace out this D and you have to write classwork and homework also. So after writing this, see here also same, small d. Find and paste the stickers in the boxes. So which letter it is? It is, this is also D letter, but it is small d letter. Yes, no? Small d. So first you should paste here small d and D for straight spelling D-O-L-L, doll. So paste doll here. Small d, doll. Paste Nana. So children, which letter it is? Small d. So paste here. Small d. Completed. What is this? Doll. Is this doll? Yes. Paste. Completed pasting. Now here see, trace the alphabet. Which alphabet it is? Small d. Trace out children. After tracing out, classwork you should write. Small d. Small d. Write small d. Small d. Small d. Small d. Small d. Write here small d. Touch uppercase line, blue line and write a small curve. Standing line, a curve. Small d. Small d. Small d. Small d. Small d. See children, completed now writing capital D and small d. So you have to write homework also in your book. You have to write classwork and homework also children. After writing, take a photo and send me. Complete page number 20 and 21 in your practice book. Term 1. Thank you.